In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear shocks on this Nissan Rogue. These are going to be located behind the rear wheels. Let's get into it. Remove the wheel, use a 21mm socket. Remove the wheel. Using a pole jack, we're going to support the lower control arm. Just raise it up. You want to get some of the tension off the shock. That should be good. And we can pull the nut and bolt out. Using a 18mm wrench, 18mm socket, take this nut and bolt out. And using a 18mm socket up top, we're going to take that bolt out. There we go. And grab the bolt. Pull that out, grab the shock, and it comes right out. Before we install the new shock, we're just going to exercise it. So you want to compress it all the way down and let it extend. You're going to do that 3 times. Alright, now get the top part of the shock installed, get that lined up, take the bolt, and get that started. And get the base installed. You need to lower the pole jack so the hole lines up. And get the nut installed. And before we tighten this down, you want to get this close to ride height. Just raise up on the pole jack a little bit. And we're going to torque this bolt to 76 foot-pounds. That's good. Now we're going to torque the top one to 76 foot-pounds. Now we're going to lower the pole jack. And pull it out of the way. I'll put the wheel back on. Get that lined up. Put the lug nuts on. And snug that on. Now we're going to torque the lug nuts to 83 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.